Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2018 68 plate Mercedes GLA. I'll just take you around the bodywork and take you inside. I'll show off any features along the way. So starting from the front there. Front new Mercedes bumper. On it. Windscreen. Front right. So you've got your LED white daytime running lights. Back right. All of the wheels are in nice condition. Hard to see because of the sun. Good tread on the tyres again, and the wheel in good condition. Down the left hand side. So all the wheels are in nice condition. Bodywork's generally very good. Inside you've got cloth leather interior. Got electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights. Lovely low mileage, 15,729 on the clock. So then you've got your driver computer here, which is controlled by a steering wheel, so you can display your speed, trip computer, eco display, range, audio, so you can change the radio from there, telephone. So then you've got the larger screen here, which is controlled by that. So you've got your radio there. You've got your Bluetooth audio and your Bluetooth telephone as well. And DVD, sorry, not DVD, CD player. Dynamic select, so you've got your sport, comfort, individual, and your eco modes. 12-volt power supply there. Got some cup holders, and then you've got some USB ports in there as well. Electric handbrake. Privacy glass. Car comes with a 1-year warranty, 1 year's MOT, 1 year's AA breakdown cover. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.